There are a few ways you can go about using multiple cursors in VS Code. Now the first method is press and hold down the Alt key on your keyboard if you're on Windows and Linux, and click on the places where you want to add the cursor. And if you're on Mac, you press and hold down the Option button on your keyboard and click on everywhere you want to add the cursor on your code. Once you're done adding the cursor, you can now apply whatever you want, maybe a space or delete, depending on what you're trying to achieve. Or you can just do same and add multiple cursors and just type, let's say practicing to add cursors. This is the first way to go about it. Now the second method is maybe you want to add cursors above or below a particular code line or a text. To do that on Windows, press Ctrl Alt, hold it down, and press the up arrow to add cursors going upwards, or press the down arrow to add cursors going downwards. To do same on Mac, press and hold down Option plus Command and keep pressing the up arrow or the down arrow depending on what direction you want the cursor to go. Now step 3 allows you to select all matching occurrences. That is, if you want to edit all occurrence of a particular word at once. The first thing you want to do is select the word. Let's say I want to change the word name here to user. Just going to have to select one of this. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl Shift L, and as you can see, it has all been selected. And on the Mac, simply press Command Shift L. Just as you can see here, the word name has been selected from beginning to the end. Then I can simply replace it with the word user. If I click on delete and then just type user at once, and that is it. We're good to go. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.